Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Alona Y. Patiluna, 37 years old. I am married with two children. My son is 18 years old and my daughter is 14 years old. They are both studying until now. I am a college graduate with a bachelor degree in elementary education. I am 135 centimeter and 47 kilograms. My religion is Iglesia ni Cristo. My husband is Gilbert I. Patiluna and he is a plumber. My father is Julian O. Isik, he is a farmer. My mother is Valeria B. Isik, he is a housewife but she died when I was 1 year old. I am a domestic helper in Bahrain for 2 years. I'm serving poor people, my baba, my madam with their two children. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, ironing, cleaning the garden, cleaning the car, and lastly, feeding the birds. I know how to take care of the baby by giving a nutritious and healthy foods, giving vitamins and medicines if needed, changing diaper, and take a bath every day. I also know how to take care of a bedridden person by putting in a wheelchair and bring outside to take a fresh air and prepare a nutritious and healthy foods, giving vitamins and medicines, take a bath every day, and do a massage sometimes. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. To my future employer, I am begging you to please choose me as one of your domestic helper because this journey is for the future of my son and my daughter. This is a big help for my family financially for the studies of my son. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper. I am a trustworthy, honest, loyal, obedient, helpful, caring, and loving with the children. You can reach me on my Skype number 0909-716-9550. I hope you choose me. See you soon. Thank you and God bless.